Hey friends, and happy August! Today I'm going to be playing with the August Chalk Couture called Be Brilliant. It is an awesome transfer. It's a size B. It is $14.99 and it's awesome. I wanted to create this project for my son for his locker, so I had to make sure I had a little teeny tiny board that I could go ahead and punch holes in so that way it could hang on the side. What you saw me do was right on the back of the transfer, because our transfers are reusable over and over and over again, so we want to be able to replace it on the carrier sheet. I use the multi-tool to stir up the storm chalk paste, and I utilize the storm chalk paste to put the bottom part of the light bulb on. Right now, I went ahead and closed our chalk piece, and what I'm doing is fuzzing the transfer. The reason we do that is so that way it helps to take off some of the sticky from the back of the transfer, so that way it doesn't stick like crazy to the board. I am using Marigold chalk paste, and I'm going to use another multi-tool and go ahead and really give that a good stir, because it was a brand new chalk paste. It looked chunky at first. What I got to do is just stir it all around, and it turned out perfectly. And what I'm doing is using a small squeegee to go ahead and push that chalk paste all around the transfer, so that way the entire silkscreen area is covered up. You will notice that I did go off it. It's not a big deal. That's the cool part about our chalk paste. It's water soluble, which means it goes on wet and dries hard, and it can be removed with water. No big deal. As you can see, I just sprayed the paper towel after it was fully dry, and it came right off. Ta-da! Super easy. Now I'm doing the last part of this transfer, and it looks like it would be like the shine part from the light bulb, where it's shining it all around. So what I did was I made sure I adhered the transfer down. I just didn't push in the center where I knew I did the chalk paste from before. And I'm using the white chalk paste and pulling it all over the transfer area. Now some of it you'll see I didn't do, and it's because it was hanging off the board. It was a little too big. But look at that peel and reveal. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. All I'm doing is heating it all up, so that way it's completely dry. Yay! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to purchase this and more, please check out my online store. Have a great day. Bye.